it's Carrie with Who's Artistry. I am back with another design team project from Paperomia. This kit is called Winter Ephemera and it has 36 pages. I will link the kit, I will link the kit in the description box. You can find it through the Paperomia coffee site. So let's go through the kit and I will show you some of the things that I did. I do have a small little project that I do want to get done with you, so let's get to getting. All right, so we've got some circle cards here with beautiful details. There are belly bands, and these you can put on the belly bands for slider effect or print them smaller so that they are cigar label type ephemera. We've got pockets and page pockets and some larger tabs, larger cards. You could print these also two to a page and make them smaller. Some more postcards, another pocket. Here is a large envelope. We've got file folder pockets. And this one here reminds me of the ones you get at the bank for your money. Here's some large envelope file folder pockets, some cards, and we have some fussy cuts. These are all super cute, just like that. We've got tags. We even have color swatches, some more envelopes and tabs. You could print these ones two to a page as well, and they will be smaller. They're kind of large, but you could have large tags. We do have some words as well, reflecting of winter and the holidays. And these are some more file folders, pockets. We have some journal space or library cards and another envelope. All right, so with that said, like I said, it has everything you could need for creating a journal. So what I did was I created some things to go inside of a journal. This one here is a page where you could put it on the side of your book page, for instance, and then it would flip down, and you have two pockets here and here. Flip down, and I've got a few more pockets in here. And you could put a magnet or a tie or something on there, and then you could open it up and use that as well, which I just put some of those journal cards in there, if you can see that. The second piece that I created was a file folder that I just glued onto a book page, and you could glue one side of each of these down for a tuck spot or glue both sides for pockets. I haven't decided yet how I want to use this, so I just left it open. If you leave it open, you could use it as journaling spots or some other way of interactive pieces. I made the library card. I added an additional front pocket to it. As you could see, you glue that down right in your page of your book, and you have one and then a pocket on the inside, so that's two, and then a pocket here is three. You could do that. I just did another one but did not glue a front pocket to it, so it's just a single pocket, or glued down makes two pockets. Here's another one that I did where I glued the front to make an extra pocket, and I stuffed it full of goodies. Here I did the side pockets where you could stick journal cards in there like that. You could make 2 of these using all 4 of those pockets and such. And you could glue them like this in your book page or like this. Either way is fine. So however it intrigues you. This here is that circle pocket, and I just stuffed a bunch of goodies in there. I've got the circle journal cards as well as some of the fussy cuts. And that. And now the second thing I want to do is I have the background papers and I have cut 2 of them up. And what I want to do is I want to make a waterfall. I did not print on the back of them. You could print on the back if you wanted to. I'm okay with just inking the little bits that are going to be showing. So how I would do this is I would take the first piece and fold it so that there's like a 1/2 inch between the top and the back piece. All right, so we've got that. And then I would take this piece and flip it around so that it's alternating colors and not completely wrong side, I guess you could say. But it's just, it'll have every other one then will have ink on this part here. So there's that. Get my bone folder. And what this can be used for is for waterfall, to either have journaling cards, or you could put pictures in it, or anything that you'd like to put on there really. So then the third page I will flip right side up and just like this. And then the last page, actually, I don't want a white one on the front there. So you could put the white one on front and then just decorate it with, you know, some of the circles or the ephemera or what have you. It's no big deal. So what now I will do is I will take my weathered wood, distressed oxide, and I will take my dauber. And it's still fairly new, so I might have to daub and daub and daub, but what I will do is just go ahead and ink the rest of this. I thought this was a pretty good color to kind of match the kit. As such. And then you can see how that kind of makes it not white anymore. So I will go ahead and do that for all of those pieces. And if I wasn't trying to get this video done, I would have taken my time and not gotten so blotchy. But it adds texture and interest, I suppose. So I'll do that one, and then this last. Is that it? Yeah, this last one here. And I have the dog music on. Usually keeps my pups calm. So that's what you're hearing in the background there. I don't like silence, so I do what I can. All right, so then we have this piece and this piece and this piece. All right, so there's that. Now, you could punch a hole in there, you could glue, you could put an eyelet in, which is what I'm thinking I might do, because then I can hang it. So I'll put a hole in here. Oh, I gotta use the other one. Use the crocodile. You do not need a crocodile. It's just a tool that I have come across at a thrift store, and it works like butter. All right, grab out a eyelet, put that in there. I'm gonna change my settings for my crocodile so that it goes through. Somewhere in there is the hole. Squeeze, make sure it's closed all the way, and there you are. There's a nice little waterfall that you could decorate with these pieces. You know, you could put the journal card like that as a tuck spot so that you could tuck in a journal card. Anything like that. Put a bow on the front, or snowflake. The ideas are endless when it comes to stuff like this. So just a simple project to get us all started with the new year. I'm sure there will be more ideas that I come up with and can post about. I do have some plans in the works to showcase some journals that I will be selling up on my Etsy shop. So I will do flip throughs of those, as well as I have about 10 journals that I am going to be making. Right now in the process of creating page fillers for that. So those will also be going up. Some will be one signature and others will be 2 signatures. The ideas I have for these journals include having a double bound journal. So what I mean by that is I have two book covers, and I would glue 2 of the covers like this so that you have one journal, sorry, let's flip it around there. One journal that can be read like this, and then you could turn it around and read the other journal or write in the other journal like this. So those are in the process of being completed and made. I think that is all I have. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more content. I do have in the works some more ideas for journal ephemera that I am creating, as well as more design team projects for Paperomia. So with that, I will say goodbye and thank you all for stopping by to see what this new kit includes. I think that's it. All right, guys, have a good weekend. Bye.